fantastic weekend. Hope you had a real safe and amazing New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. Wanted to show you yesterday's market and how the Maverick AI Pro could have kept you on the right side of the tracks. We had some really nice trades yesterday. We traded our cash account, hit our goals. We traded some funded accounts. Yesterday was a fun day to trade and played it real safe because the day after a holiday, as you guys can probably imagine from last week and this week with Christmas in there and then New Year's, trading can be really hard on holiday weeks. But I want to show you how the Maverick AI Pro could have kept you on the right side of the tracks. Now, as you know, the Maverick AI Pro is what's on our screen right here, one of our flagship indicators. And you can use it on multiple different type of candle types. If you use it on, right now I have it on the 1 minute Heikin-Ashi. If you want to use it on the 5 minute candles, you guys see me trade that a lot, the 1 minute candles. We have folks that use the Renko candles. So that's completely up to you. You gotta, whatever fits your own trading style. But I want to show you yesterday, which most people thought was a pretty difficult day to trade, how clear it was on our charts using the Maverick AI Pro, okay? So I marked the market open right here, and this is gold. Mark the market open right here. So this is your 930. And if you see pink, it will most likely sink. Remember, if you're new to our channel or our indicators, the Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data we're seeing on the background. If you're just trading with red and green candles, you are a little bit at a disadvantage, if you ask me. That's just telling you, what it's opening at, what it's closing at, the direction, the size of the candle, but it's not giving you any insight into all the rich data that's happening in the background that we have access to. Okay, the Maverick AI Pro will color your candles to that data. So if you look, hot pink is your strongest downside candle. That's why we say if you see pink, it will most likely sink, okay? And boy, did it sink yesterday. Holy smokes, look at this, okay? Red is your second strongest downside color. Now you might be looking at this and saying, wait, these candles are going up. Why is it red? Because the data is telling us that it's downside data. Okay, so it's the second hottest downside data, and you can see you came up for a few minutes, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 minutes, and then you just kept flushing down. Same thing here. You started to get, you started to come up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost for about 15 minutes, but then guess what? It just dumped again, all right? Because this indicator is reading the data that is going on behind the in the background. So what are the key elements of the Maverick AI Pro? First things first, it's going to color your background to the trend, all right? So immediately, right off the rip, I'm going, we're in a downtrend, right off the rip, okay, right off the bell. And then look at all these downside candles yelling at us to get in. Now, these are not sell signals. Let me zoom in real good here. These are not sell signals. These are confidence arrows. This is telling you you're on the right track. If you're taking a short here, most likely, high probability, you're making the right call. See how they disappeared here on your retracement? Now, these would have been green candles. If you just had red and green candles, this would have shaken a lot of people out, but you continued to the downside, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 down confidence arrows screaming at you to get in. Now, on top of that, I have the cloud off right now because I just wanted this to be very clear to you guys. But what we also have is the Maverick guide. This blue line, we love to go short when price is below the blue line. We call it the Maverick guide. When price is above the blue line, we like to go long. And look, the color of the background changed because it has two different background settings. I have it on the Maverick Guide background setting. So hot pink candle, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. Tons of down confidence arrows screaming at you to get in. We broke and closed below the blue line, the Maverick Guide. And again, we love to go short when we're below the blue line, the Maverick guide. You had a retracement, second hottest downside data is red, and then it just kept coming down. Folks, this is a huge move. I'm zoomed in here. These are just 1 minute candles. But if you would have just taken it from, let's say you didn't get in right away, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got in 5 minutes in. What is that? Let me grab my phone here. Hang on 1 second. Let me pull up my calculator. So that would have been, what is that? 4374. 4374. I won't count the rest of it. 4374 came down. You held on. You had a retracement. Let's say you got out here when you stopped getting red candles. Okay, you got out. We didn't even get the full move. Let's say you got, oh my gosh, we're having reversal candles, which are gray candles. That's 43.55. Okay, minus 43.55. All right, that's a 19-point move. Remember, gold is 10 ticks per dollar, $10 per tick. So that's 10 ticks. That's 190 ticks. That's a $1,900 move. $1,900 from what I say, 5 minutes in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to right about here. Let's see, you didn't get the full move. So right about there, okay? It's a $1,900 move. It's insane, okay? Am I saying you're gonna make that? No, you'd have to get a lot of that move. Nobody gets the full move, but I'd take half of that. Heck yeah, close my laptop and be done for the day. How many people out there make, even a third of that per day? I mean, half of that is $950 in a day. Okay, it's almost $5,000 a week. Come on now. Again, not financial advice. Do your own research, but I'm just showing you the potential here. So then we come up and we have gray candles. Gray candles means reversal or indecision. If you're sideways, and I'm really squinched in here, but I would consider these indecision candles. You're pretty much in a short little range here, okay? You're in a range, so that's indecision, okay? And then guess what? You just flush again to the downside. Unstinking believable. I don't like to trade after 11:30 usually, so that's Wall Street has lunchtime, especially the day after a holiday. But look at this. You come up, and by the way, if you wanted to take a scalp on this reversal, see all these down confidence arrows? Down confidence arrow, down confidence arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then you change color. You start losing steam to the downside. You could have taken this for a scalp. Absolutely. Look at these up confidence arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up confidence arrows. And then you start flattening out and you're like, nah, I'm going to wait for a break of the Maverick guide. I don't want to break and close. Oh, hot pink candles. Yeah. And look at all these down confidence arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I mean, does it get any clearer than that? If you see pink, it will most likely sink, okay? Just unbelievable morning of trading yesterday. It was very, very cool. Again, I went very light. If you guys go back and watch, I was trading like 1 or 2 micros. I did trade some options. I'm going to talk about that soon with you guys, but I was using, I was actually on TradingView. Our indicators are good on, they work on TradingView and NinjaTrader, but I was actually trading options also later in the day on Thinkorswim using charts on TradingView. So same chart, you guys don't have to email me. It looks pretty much the same. There's a little bit of a difference in language, okay? So TradingView versus NinjaTrader, they're on 2 different languages. So like there's a little bit of discrepancy, but it doesn't affect our trading. In our back testing, we have never run into, all that being that much different. So you can't have 2 different programming languages and exactly the exact same thing. So, but I was trading, you can watch back yesterday on NinjaTrader, and then later in the day I was trading options. Oh, it was awesome. I was actually using our charts on TradingView, our Maverick AI Pro, the Maverick Trender, the Maverick Multi-X. I was using those on TradingView, and I was actually trading Tesla options, and we were crushing it. Like, it was so fun, like ridiculously fun. trading Tesla options on TradingView. But I wasn't trading on TradingView. I was executing the options on Thinkorswim. So anyway, so yeah, you can use these things, these indicators on futures. I was using them on stocks yesterday to trade options. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys that. And I was on the 5-minute chart for trading options. Kept one monitor up with the charts on TradingView, and then I was trading options on Thinkorswim. So anyway, if you want clear vision on your charts, go watch our other videos, okay? Go watch on the Maverick Multi-X. Go watch on the Maverick Trender, which right now, if you get the one-time payment, it's the lifetime Maverick AI Pro bundle. If you make the one-time payment, we're going to give you 5 free indicators, and one of them is the Maverick Trender, which you hardly ever see me trade without. Go back to my videos. You will always usually see the Maverick Trender on my charts. The Maverick Bear Bull, you guys haven't been seeing that on my charts the last couple of weeks because I've been actually keeping it on a second monitor, but it's one of my favorite. I will not trade without. Sometimes I get into a trade a little too quick and I don't have the Bear Bull up, but go check out the videos on the Bear Bull. It is sick. Like, I absolutely love it. We're giving that to you for free. All right. So absolutely insane. And again, for my one-time payment, my lifetime Maverick AI Pro bundle members of that bundle, if you're a lifetime member of that bundle, I got something cooking for you guys that I'm going to come out with pretty soon here, next couple of days. You don't have to email me. I promise you I'll announce it on YouTube. But I think it's just a little tool. I don't want to build it up too much. It's just a little tool to work with the indicators you have to give you a little bit more confidence in trades. Okay, so just hang tight. I love you guys. I want to keep taking care of you guys. So anyway, so stay tuned on that. If you want clear vision on your charts, if you want the indicators that I wish I had when I first started, again, not financial advice, do your own research. We love to stack probability in our favor when we get into trades, and that's what we use our indicators for. Stack probability in our favor. Come check us out. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Come read what our traders are saying on our website. Again, welcome to all our new traders that have joined in the last week or so, and look forward to helping you crush it in 2026. Folks, come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.